This is question 20 on our review of basic probability. We have a table of data. This is an empirical probability problem. And our table looks like this. We have, let's see, the different majors here. We have frequency here. I got an extra column I don't need. So the first major is math. The next major is English. That's followed by engineering. Business. And finally, education. And these are graduate degrees, data that were given, empirical probability, 223 math majors. That's way overstated. There's no way there's that many math majors getting graduate degrees at any college in the world. So that's what our data looks like. And the question asks, what's the probability that a randomly selected student with a master's degree majored in English or math? Now the assumption is that students can only major in one subject. We know that that's not practically true, but for this problem, that is the case. So they can't be in more than one category, so we don't have to worry about subtracting anything out. English or math? That is the probability of getting an English graduate degree, according to this data, plus the probability of getting a math graduate degree, according to this data, minus the probability of getting both. Now we know, and math, we know from the way the problem is stated that this is 0. They say nobody can get both. So what's the probability of getting an English degree? Well, there's 210 people that got an English degree, but that's not a probability. We need to know how many total people we're talking about. That's the number of outcomes in the event getting an English degree, 210. But to find the denominator, we need the total in the sample space. And I don't know what that adds up to. So let me see. I think it's an even number, but 223 plus 210 plus 86 plus 176 plus 222. No, it's not an even number. It's 917. So the denominator in our probability is the total number of people in the sample space, total number surveyed, 917. Now, the probability of getting a math degree is the number of math degrees awarded, 223, divided by the total number in the sample space. So that's 223 over 917. And we know that this last part is 0 because nobody could have both degrees. That's given to us in the problem. What do we get? 433 over 917 as a decimal. 433 divided by 917. The probability of the person having one or the other is 0.472. That's approximately equal to 0.472. So approximately a 47% chance if someone is selected from random, that person will either have a master's degree in English or a master's degree in math.